Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Whoa. Yeah, great job. The fire rescue task is complete. Woohoo! Should Whiskers climb the tree to play with that protection? You are right. Climbing the tree is very dangerous. Should Ho-Ho climb up the window by using a chair? You are right! Awesome! Do not climb up windows at will. Should Whiskers climb up the cupboard at home? You are right! Cupboards collapse easily. Children should not climb on cupboards. Whoa! Whoa!